The craziest problem I've ever had to solve for a client. I think my favorite example is a client I was working with in the manufacturing space at one point in time. They had 2 production facilities running the exact same gear. Same hardware on the back end, PLC controllers, same server spec, same deployment of the application. At some point in time, they realized they had a production shortfall compared to the other same facility. One site would do it in half the time. The other site would do it in double the time. They'd make one apple, and it would take this site a minute to make this apple, and they'd make an apple over here, and it'd take this site 2 minutes to make an apple. We're digging in, looking at hardware, looking at I/O, looking at everything we normally look at for weird stuff, not finding anything. So there's an application that Microsoft has acquired years ago. It's called the Procmon in the sysinternal suite. And basically what it does is everything the system's doing, it writes out line by line. So I start doing Procmon tracing while they're in the middle of their daily efforts. When they're done, I pull the traces, and the first thing I noticed right out of the gate is as soon as I filter the trace down to their specific application, I'm seeing double writes. I read the registry to read what this key should be. And I did it once on this site. On this site, everything is done twice. So I dump these traces and I show it to the vendor and they're like, yeah, that's super weird. They patch it the next day. That was our fixed issue, right? Somehow, when compiling, they were doing every command that they sent to everything outside of that machine twice. All they wanted was to get the same production speed from the other facility.